10 minutes, right?
Yep.
Try the place.
The last time we were here, I was still working for a travel company and we were inspecting.
Oh, babies, like a pose.
Adika.
The table, and we
Okay.
will serve the welcome drink for you. That's
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Look at that view. That is Lumpini Park. Hopefully we can get a room that has a view of the Lumpini Park. Welcome drinks. Cool.
Oh, wow.
Kapkan Kap. So we're here now at the lobby, just waiting for the room. They took our passports already, so they just gave us welcome drinks. It's nice to be back here. It's just a stirrer.
Yeah, lemongrass.
How does it taste?
Refreshing. It tastes good.
Buffet at the red oven yet?
Yes,
Or
before.
Before?
Yeah.
Okay. With this promotion, right?
No.
Okay, not yet, right? So, would you like me to book the red oven for you?
Yes,
At what
yes.
time?
Around.
What time does it start, the dinner?
The dinner start at 6. Yes.
Okay.
Six.
Yeah, I think they're around 6:30.
6:30.
Okay.
Alright. For 2 person.
Right.
Okay,ค่ะ. And you prefer the king size bed?
Yes.
Alright. For today, we do have the room element, wood and earth element. Which
Okay.
one would you prefer?
What's the view of those rooms?
This will be the cozy room. The cozy room will be on the city view. The city view
Okay.
side. Yes.
Okay. Which one is better?
I think the blue room is exotic and
Okay.
very nice and romantic. Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
And the wood room will be really like typical Thai-ish and Japanese-ish.
So which one? Yeah, the wood
Alright.
one. Yeah.
Good. Alright,ค่ะ.
So while waiting for our room, Mackee is playing Max Vintage. High score is 14,920. Pac-Man! Oops! Hurry up! Dead.
So we're here at one of the business lounges because they told us that the room will be available by 3 p.m. and it's just 1 o'clock. So we just discovered this play area of old classic games like Pac-Man. We're just chilling here. I'm uploading some videos and we're just gonna kill time. I thought these are just some lights, but they are just old TVs with a static screen. So cool. Serious, Hubbee. Career.
Competition.
Game face on. I'm still uploading a video and look, so slow. I'm using the hotel's Wi-Fi now.
So we're going to 10th floor to have some lunch. These are the room elements. We have water, earth, wood, and metals. So we have and we have a very nice spa here. And this is the pool area. here.
So we're here at the pool area now. So this is where we will hang out and kill some time until 2 p.m. This pool area is very popular to a lot of gay events before. They used to have a lot of gay pool parties here. We never tried it and joined because we're not the party people. But yeah, it's so nice to see how the venue looks like.
Look at their food menu.
That is so cute.
This is so cute.
It's a pillow.
Yes, you can just hug it and you can just throw it away the water. It's okay, it's fine. And then you can just order some food. Pizza. Yes, and then one lychee almond. That's it.
Thank you.
So he's now working kahit nasa bakasyon. Hello, are you hungry?
We got our lunch now. Pizza 3 cheese. Let's see if it's going to be good.
They have a nice setup here. This actually for those people who like sun. This is so cute. Want to have some picture here later. And this is the city view. The other side is like the park view. That's the Lumpini Park view. And this is their city view. So our room will be somewhere there on this side.
We're heading to our room now. Hubbee is just paying for the lunch. So our room is ready. They brought the key here. Where's our room?
1715 here. Oh, it's okay.
Perfect. Perfect for someone
So
who is
nice.
disabled.
It's just a shadow.
Okay.
From this one. Okay. Check it out.
So this is the city view that they're saying. It's okay.
The view is still nice. They still have trees.
Welcome, mister.
Okay, let's check it out.
Should wear it.
No.
His and his.
Yes.
His
and his. What's the bathtub? I want to stay here for an hour. They have. Oh, look. I'll take one of this.
We love our room. What are you doing? TikTok?
Yes.
We're here at Sofitel So, but we're working. So, I'm going to the pool. Hubbee is at the gym again. So I'm done with all the editing, uploading. I just realized that having a YouTube channel is really a full-time work. There's a lot of things that you need to do. You need to learn aside from video editing skills, also investments. You have to have a proper, I would say it would help in terms of efficiency and productivity if you have a nice laptop. I just recently bought a MacBook Air with M1 chip because it's much faster, as you've known in previous vlog. And then I've invested in a software, video editing software, Final Cut Pro, so it's more legit and pro, I would say. And also royalty-free music because you don't want to get any copyright claims once you upload it in YouTube. Of course, you have to learn all of those things. You have to understand the algorithm. What was that? So I'm done with all those stuff. I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna visit Hubbee at the gym. We'll stay at the pool. We have a buffet dinner It's 6:30 p.m. It's 4:30, so we have 2 hours. We've been starving ourselves. We just only had pizza for breakfast and lunch, and that's it. Because we really want to enjoy the buffet. The red oven buffet here in Sofitel So is popular because there's so many varieties. So we're looking forward to that. We're gonna fill our stomach tonight. This is what I'm wearing. Bagay ba? 1, 2, 3, go.
Come on, let's meet. Ang lamig.
Who's ready to have a dinner? Are you?
No.
Look at our viewing pod. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Let's eat. I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
No question?
What can you say so far about Sofitel So?
So far, it's so-so. So far, it's so nice. It's so exciting. It's so relaxing. It's so nice. I went to the pool, but the water was so cold. Actually, I like it. I went to the backside area. They have like a camping site. I did some TikTok, and I went to the gym, and also they have like a sauna and a steam room, and everything is actually perfect so far. And I like the view, and I'm so excited to have some dinner, like a buffet dinner, and the room is so cozy. I can't wait to sleep, and I hope the pillow is good. Actually, it's like one of our, what do you call it, Mackee? Like one of our struggle when we stay in a hotel.
So what are you looking forward to red oven buffet dinner?
I hope they have like a nice food, like seafood. Oh, maybe they have, and the oyster and the squid. I'm not really a fan of crab and shrimp here in Thailand because they cook it like steam only. And like in the Philippines, like they really put some spices and also some sweets and some rice. A lot of rice. And
Do you remember the first time we were here?
we were poor. They need to wear a mask when they go to the buffet area. My favorite. So good.
Fresh.
So fresh. Oh, finally they have